Today we'll try to understand the incredible organization of the human body. Imagine a giant, intricate machine with millions of moving parts. That's essentially what we are. Let's zoom in all the way to the smallest level. Here we find atoms. An atom is defined as the smallest particle of an element. Some examples are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Atoms are internally made of even smaller particles such as electrons, neutrons, and protons. Next, we have molecules. A molecule is defined as a particle composed of two or more joined atoms. Examples of molecules include carbon dioxide, which is made of carbon and oxygen atoms. Another example of the molecule is water, which is made of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Molecules combine with other molecules to form macromolecules. The most common macromolecules in our body are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Macromolecules combine with other macromolecules to form organelles such as the cell membrane, nucleus, and ribosomes. Organelles perform particular functions. Organelles collectively compose a cell. The cell is the basic unit of life. Each cell has a set of organelles and performs a particular function. The next building block in the level of organization is tissue. A tissue is defined as a group of similar cells that perform a specialized function. Our body is made up of 4 types of tissues, which are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. The next unit is an organ. An organ is defined as a structure consisting of 2 or more types of tissues that performs a specialized function. Examples include the heart, the brain, and the liver. 2 or more organs combine to form an organ system. Organ systems carry out specialized functions. Examples of organ systems are the cardiovascular system, the respiratory system, and the integumentary system. There are 11 organ systems, and they collectively form the human organism. As mentioned before, our body is made of 11 systems. Each system is composed of specific organs that perform a unique set of functions essential for our survival. These systems don't operate in isolation. They collaborate in an incredible symphony, ensuring our bodies function optimally. Imagine the respiratory system taking in oxygen, which the circulatory system then delivers to all our cells. Meanwhile, the digestive system breaks down food to fuel these processes, and the nervous system coordinates it all.